In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the AC breaker disconnect test for the Potter IPA-4000 fire alarm panel. This has a exterior mounted plate, so this is the Potter IPA-4000. So I've removed this cover from the panel. So on the panel, it does have the circuit breaker panel location, so LB number 2, circuit number 2, and it's fortunately right next to us. So panel LB, fire alarm circuit, open it up, and the circuit's right here. So first things first, we're just going to measure our voltage, turn our meter on, take our leads. Assuming I could get a good grip on these things. Let's see what my chopstick skills are like today. Huh? Don't do that. Okay. So we're on. We're at 121.1. So you can see on there. Okay, so our voltage is on. So now, as I said, we're going to go to our circuit breaker, LB number 2. So we're at our circuit panel, LB. Open this up. Circuit number 2 has a breaker on it, so I've already loosened this up, so I'm just going to remove the breaker lock. I'm going to flip the power off. And in a second, we currently have our power LED on. This should turn off in a second or so. See how long it takes to register that it doesn't have power. And I do have an existing trouble on my panel. There we go. So now we lost the power. So now we have trouble. So I have 2 troubles now. I have my NAC circuit disconnected. This is just for my testing. And then I have a power trouble. So battery power supply, AC power trouble, right? So I can hit my arrows. I could scroll up and down. Then I could also have my NAC trigger, which I have disconnected again. But what we're looking for is the AC power. So there we go, AC power, trouble fail. So we'll turn the meter on again. And take a new reading just to verify that it's off. Okay, oops. There we go. So I got our leads on. We're at 0 volts. Okay. 0 voltage. Alright. So the AC breaker is off, which means the main power is off and our LED power light is off, and we have a trouble signal, so the AC breaker works. So now we will flip it back on. Put our little breaker lock on there. Close that up. And come back to our panel one more time. So now we have, should be 1 trouble. There we go. That's for our NAC circuit. Apologies for the lighting in here. It's not that great. But no more power trouble. So that's the end of the list. We just have the NAC trouble. And we have our power light back on. So we will take a measurement one more time, just to be sure that the power is in fact turned back on. There you go. So we're on. We're at 120.6. So you see I'm on there. We're at 120.6. Okay. So the power is in fact turned on. So we're back on. There we go. Phone's going off. Anyway, so that is how you do the AC breaker disconnect test for the Potter IPA-4000 fire alarm panel.